Suppose a girl throws a die. If she gets 5 or 6, she tosses a coin 3 times and notes the number of heads. If she gets 1, 2, 3, 4, she tosses a coin once and notes down the number of heads obtained. If she obtained exactly one head, what is the probability that she threw 1, 2, 3, 4 with the die? Now we will analyze the problem and try to solve it. Look here, we will call A as the event of getting one head. See, that has been told in the problem. A is the event of getting one head, and E1 is the event of getting 5 or 6. E2 is the event of getting 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what is the probability of E1? Event of getting 5 or 6. Look here. See, when a dice is thrown, these are the possibilities 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, getting 5 and 6, only two possibilities. So, probability of E1. So, E1 is the event of getting 5 or 6. So, probability of E1 is 2 out of 6, that is 1 over 3. See, that's why we have written here. PE1 is 1 over 3. What is probability of E2? What is E2? E2 is the event of getting 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the probability of E2 then? Let us see here. See here again, when the dice is thrown, these are the possibilities. So getting 1, 2, 3, 4 is 4 out of 6. So probability of getting E2, probability of E2, that is getting 1, 2, 3, 4. Probability of E2 is 4 out of 6, that is 2 over 3. And that we have written here. See, PE2 is 4 over 6, 3 over 2. Again, probability of A given that E1 occurs. What is A? A is nothing but event of getting one head. So probability of A given that E1 occurs. E1 already has taken place. What is E1? E1 is getting 5 and 6. When 5 and 6 are got, the girl throws the coin 3 times. So look here, this is the possibility. The girl throws the coin 3 times. So these are the possibilities when a coin is thrown 3 times. Head, head, HTH, HHT, TTT, THT, TTH, THTT, and THH. Out of this, the possibility of getting one head is here only. So we have got one head, one head, one head. So out of 8, there are 3 favorable outcomes. So probability of getting one head given E1 has occurred is 3 over 8. That is 3 over 8 we have written. So probability of getting one head given that E1 has occurred is 3 over 2. Okay. And that we have written. Probability of A given that E1 has occurred. Similarly, probability of A given that E2 has occurred. What is E2? E2 is getting 1, 2, 3, 4. When the girl gets 1, 2, 3, 4, she tosses the coin only once. So look here. She tosses the coin only once means you may get head or you may get a tail. So probability of getting a head one head is 1 over 2. So probability of getting one head when E2 has already occurred is 1 over 2. So all these values we have found here. See, all this is here. See, PE1, PE2, PA bar E1, PA bar E2, and then PE2 bar A. This is what we have to find out. So what we have to find out? Look here. Probability of E2 given that A has occurred. What is A? A is nothing but getting one head. See, one head is got. Then what is the probability of E2? What is E2? What is E2? Getting 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, E2 is nothing but getting here it is. E2 is nothing but getting 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the probability of getting 1, 2, 3, 4, or what is the probability of E2 when A has already taken place? And for that we have a formula here. See, this formula you have to remember, and you must be able to write this. See, this you have to remember. And here we have to substitute all the values. See, we know what is P E2, PA bar E2, PE2, PA bar E2, PE1, PA bar E1. See, all those you have to substitute here. How many values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have to calculate. It's a simple problem. So this you can do very easily. And if you calculate these values, you will get this one. Look here. I need not explain all this to you. This is simple mathematics. And if you calculate, ultimately you will get 8 by 9, 8 by 11. So that is the probability of getting E2, given that A has already occurred. What is A? A is nothing but getting one head. See, when this has occurred, what is the probability of E2? That we have found out here. So this is very important. All these calculations, you must remember this. This is very important. So without this, you cannot solve this problem. This is very easy, substituting and getting the answer. But this you must be able to know. Okay? Thank you. I hope you have followed the problem. Thank you.